Hi, my name is Hari and you're watching Gossipfunda. And in this video, you'll be seeing how to free up iPhone storage, and I'll be showing you a few steps that you can follow to free up space in your iPhone. So the first step would be to offload the app. So to do that, you just go to settings and then general and then go to iPhone storage, and then you can search for the app which you don't use or you even barely use. So here you see YouTube has a lot of storage, but I use YouTube every single day, so I just can't offload the app. So instead of that, what you can do is search an app that you don't use regularly. For example, I use Safari instead of Chrome, so I'll be offloading the Chrome app, and then here you can see the app size. So I'll be saving 180 MB around that. So I'll be uploading another app, Swiggy, because I haven't used it in a while. So I'll be saving 140 MB just offloaded. Here you can see I have only like 10 MB of storage. As here you see the icon which says download, and if I click it, it starts downloading, but I don't want to download again, so I cancel the download. And after offloading, if you don't need the app at all, you can just hold the icon and then remove app. So the second option would be to automatically delete messages from messaging app. Go to settings, messages, and then you have to find an option called keep messages. So here you can set the duration for how long the message will be saved on the iPhone local storage. And the third option would be to optimize iCloud to save space by storing photos and videos on iCloud. What you have to do is go to settings and then photos, and then search for the option here, optimize iPhone storage. And then what else you can do is go to the camera app here, and then you can reduce the resolution for iPhone, the camera app, which is basically like 4K at 60 fps, so you can reduce it to 4K 30, 24, or even 1080p if you really want to save the space even further. I don't have to save a lot of space because I use iCloud, so I'll be keeping it at 4K 60, but you can read here like all the details of the bitrate and the resolution. And the fourth option would be to clear out the web cache. Go to settings, then Safari, and then search for this option, clear history and website, and then when you clear, you'll be saving a lot of space. And then the last option would be to optimize your music, and I use Apple Music. So what you can do is go to settings and then music, and but there are two things that you can do. Go to music and then see how much space it's taking. So for me it's like 5.5, and then here it shows the artist, like how much data it's saving. So I don't need one particular artist, so I'll be just deleting that song, and I'll be saving like 50-60 MB. You can do that, and then search for option optimize storage. So here you can choose 4 GB or 8 GB, and you can see like how many songs you can save for each optimization, and make sure your optimized storage option is ticked. Mine's always ticked, so I can see the options. So depends on you and your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every day. And if you have any comments, you can put your queries down in the comments, we'll reply to you. For more tips and trips like this, visit gossipfunda.com, and you can also visit us on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Check out the link in the description and you can visit the website. Thank you.
And it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently it could build and build.